Hi everyone, myself Manoj Trivedi. I am speaking from India. In this video, I want to give some tips, techniques that can help you to be speakable in English language. Are you searching for such faculty and educator who can teach you how to talk in English? We know that in our surrounding, mostly people who are educated, but they cannot talk in English. So, different kind of techniques, strategies, and plans that are brought by Manoj sir for speaking English fluently. So, obviously, you will be talkative, chatterbox, and seriously stubborn in the language of English language. English is being applied in most of the sectors. Whether you are watching this video from India, from America, from Canada, from any kind of country. But if you are stubborn, obstinate, and sincere as well as grave to get vocabularies, definitely my videos will be helpful and very necessary for you to speak English. Here I want to give some sentences that can be heard by you, and if you hear my sentences very carefully, I make sure about your perfection, fluency, and command over English language. So, in this module, in this video, I will tell you all the sentences of different tenses. So, 8 to 9 tenses will be covered. But your practice will help you. We know that no pains, no gains. That means if you do not tolerate or bear the pain or sadness, definitely you can't gain. You can't profit. Gain means profit. So, everywhere we know that in multinational companies, whether we are talking about India, America, Japan, China, Philippines, Kenya, Jordan, Uganda, Czechoslovakia, from any kind of nation, whether you are watching from any country, but you must be well prepared for acceptations. And if you follow my way or path, you are getting incredible speeches given by me. We know that people who are well qualified, but there is no proper appropriate person who talks in English. When in our surrounding, in our residency, there is nobody who is talking in English usually, casually, normally, every day or daily. So, exactly, we can't be talkative in English. We can't start talking in English fluently. And this is a fact. People who know this fact, so they have to follow my way. They have to execute all the rules and regulations every time I provide in my video. And if you want to learn online, you can get information by calling on me. Definitely by calling me, you will know different informative videos, and that will be given by me. So in the description my number has been given, and if you want to get command, expertise, proficiency and fluency as well as lucidity in English, here Manoj sir always happily teaching. I have been teaching English since 2013, and it has been a very long time. So I start first, I will tell you in simple present tense, then past tense, future tense. So tenses are required for starting little sentences, because sometimes little information is a dangerous thing. So I hope you guys, my viewers, my audience, who are getting lots of new informative knowledge from me, so day by day they will be successful and they will learn to start communicating and conversation in English language. So simple present tense, I go to school daily, I obey my parents every day, government provides assistance to the poor, They know very well. She teaches biology usually. My wife completes all the chores. A sweeper comes to the society to sweep the rubbish. They throw the garbage into dustbin or litter box. So all these are sentences, simple present tense. These sentences are spoken by me in simple present tense. Now I will tell you in simple past tense. What is simple past tense? First of all, when the person or doer who completed action in nearby past. To show this process, simple past tense used. So, simple past tense, first sentence, I broke the window yesterday. Government understood the situation of the people. Government functionaries obeyed the rules of regulation of government. Our chief minister visited our village this morning. It rained very heavily last night. 2 days ago, we saw a holy temple. The holy temple was helpful for the devotees. A priest lit the lamps. A priest lighted the lamps. So all these are sentences, simple past tense. I have spoken these sentences and these sentences were in simple past tense. Now I will tell you simple future tense. Simple future tense, that means the process or action will happen in nearby future. So to show or indicate this kind of process, simple future tense used. First sentence, I will inform you about the exam. Second, we will know the mystery of the murder. The offenders will confess their offense. A criminal will appear in the court. The judge will give judgment. I repeat this sentence. The judge will give judgment to the innocent. The innocent man will get the justice. My wife will get angry with the children. My children will disappear from the site of accident. A thief will escape after doing theft. A robber will hide in the village. So all these sentences are of simple future tense. So if you like this video, don't forget to share and like. And my request, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, just tap the bell icon to the right side. Don't forget to tap the bell icon to the right side. And if you subscribe my channel, just you will be excitedly, enthusiastically and curiously waiting for the next video. And you will get notification on time. When you open YouTube, my video will appear waiting for you to open it. And I know that you will be satisfied, contented from seeing this video. And wherever you are watching this video, just get satisfaction. Definitely you will increase knowledge in English language. Manoj sir is a person who brings out the innovative new videos, innovative and newly uploaded videos that will be given to you as notification. Just subscribe my channel and just watch all the videos from starting to ending. If you watch all the videos from starting to ending, definitely you will know all these sentences. And remember all these sentences that have been spoken by me. Definitely you will increase knowledge in English language. And one day you won't feel, that means you will not feel any hesitation and any embarrassing situation. Embarrassing situation, that means a situation or condition that makes you feel small or insulted. You will not be mortified. You will not be humiliated. So keep watching all my videos and just give comment in the comment box. How did you like my video and what do you need? Just put your question in the comment box and continue waiting for the next video. So see you again.